This is grease, petroleum-based wax. It might be nose prints from the kids when you drive past Baskin-Robbins in the car. Slobber marks from the dog on the sliding glass doors. Sticky stuff. I know all you girls get all excited going out dancing Saturday night. Hairspray on a bathroom mirror. No ordinary hairspray. Aquanet. Cement in a can. You girls remember the 80s, huh? Bangs were 4 feet tall and flammable. That was a dangerous time for hairdos, 1983. Now look, no more Windex, no more chemicals, no more cleaners. All we're going to use to clean this now is the Starfiber cleaning towel. Now this is the same material as what's inside your mop. It's kind of like it's a polyester microfiber, 100 times finer than a human hair. But the difference, this has a rigid nylon star-shaped core what runs right through the center of the thread. Now when you add water to it, the polyester fibers flatten down, the rigid nylon fibers come to the surface and act like billions of tiny squeegees what lift and remove everything from the surface. And all we use, no chemicals or cleaners, all we use is water. That's now pretty much dried on there now. Watch this. You've never had it so easy. Just using a little bit of water, you'll want these towels in every single corner of your home. It's called micro friction and encapsulation. We're actually lifting and removing everything from the surface on a microscopic level, even bacteria and germs too. Just using water is that good. It's not bad for a man, is it? Now when they get dirty, you don't throw these away. You put them in the washing machine, the dryer, regular detergent, just no bleach or fabric softener, and they're good for 300 machine washes.